I'm going to make this have to move a long ways before you touch it to the upside. So 229.50 to the upside. Otherwise, we're looking at 225.50 to the downside. You guys already know, man. You look for a bottom. If this comes down, look for a bottom bounce at this 224.25. Most likely that'll double bottom bounce and come back to the upside if it does continue to go that way. Now, I mapped this out. I charted this out from way back when, just to give you guys some key critical levels. It doesn't mean today, but I wanted you guys to know if Tesla continues to go down, key critical levels for Tesla, and you will want to know these for future reference. If it's not today, these are gonna matter if it starts to run its way to the downside. So Mark, especially, I know you like trading Tesla. 223.10, 218.70, and 213.23. Buy 431.32 upside or 430.39 downside. Netflix, of course, had this big run because they increased subscription rates. Yeah, I'm gonna just a little bit more. $400.50 upside, $394.64 downside. Apple, this one is a mess. And it could break that before. 176. I'm gonna give it a little bit more, but 176.50 to the upside or below 175.50 to the downside. Googleylicious. It's already sitting at its level. Upside 140. What is this? 140.55 upside. It's tough to get in on the top because if it hits here, it's probably going to bounce. So I'm going to go below it. Right there, 139.23 for Google downside. All right, let's see. A little bit more range. So Amazon. Nope. Okay, I see it. Okay, Amazon above 130.27 upside. Right there. Or below 129.23 downside. Meta above 319.50 to the upside. Below 317.80 to the downside. Remember NVIDIA getting hammered yesterday. Look at this nice bounce. 427.87 upside to NVIDIA. 425.32 downside.
That was 428, coach, right?
Yes, 428.87 up. 425.32 down. And I know it's a big range. Mara 801 upside. 784 downside. Ford 1161 upside, below 1156 to the downside.